For today's video, I've very kindly been sent and gifted the Muuse subscription box. This is their March subscription box and I'm literally so excited. You know what, let's just get straight in there. It literally arrived this morning and I was like, oh my god, I've got to do this today. I've got to film this today. I'm so excited. This actually launches on the day I'm posting this, so this launches on March the 8th, and March the 8th is actually International Women's Day. The box is inspired by International Women's Day, and there's like products in here which are like quite nice, empowering products. I'm going to put all of Muuse's accounts and website in the description, so if you do want to get your hands on this box, all the links and details will be in the description to get it. There is only a limited number of these boxes. There's only 1,500 of these boxes. This box is only £15 as well, and it's actually worth £106. Like, the amount of products, how much the products cost in here adds up to 106, which is pretty insane. You are getting this for £15 and it's got 106 pounds worth of products in. It's a no-brainer really. Let me show you what's in here. How cute is this packaging though? I love these like line drawings. I think they look really cute. Okay, here's the grand reveal. So it says, inspired by you. I'm literally so excited. I love a subscription box. On Muuse's website, you can buy like the March box, or you can subscribe and actually like do a 3-month subscription plan, or like a 6-month subscription plan. That's so hard to say. So that you can get like a box delivered to you each month. Shall we just dive in and see what's in here? So the first thing that is standing out to me is this. So these are the bamboo pads from Floss. This is really cute. You get 10 day pads in there and 5 night pads, and that is perfect because it's nearly my time of the month. They're literally made from like 100% organic bamboo, and they're supposed to be super comfortable, and it won't be long till I can actually try them. The price of this little packet would be £3. What's next? I'm gonna grab this. So this is the Smoom, is that how we say it? Smoom? But Naked Night Face Floss. How cute is that? The way that's been put into the jar is super duper cute. So the RRP of this is £15, and let's see what it says about this. A soothing natural night cream that helps to fight redness and inflammation. Yes, that is what I need for my skin. So it just tells you to use before bed, rub a pea-sized amount onto the face and let the floss melt into the skin. Wash the face with warm water in the morning. For best results, use every night. Store at room temperature and keep away from water. Oh, it smells nice. It smells a bit like minty. Look how nice that is though. I kind of want to like just see what the texture's like. Ooh. I'm definitely going to use this. Next in the box, I'm going to grab these. These are beauty cubes, shampoo cubes, and the RRP of these is £9.50. And these are, I think these are literally just shampoo cubes. Let me open them and have a look. I'm very intrigued into these. Oh, so it's like a solid shampoo. I can smell them already, and they smell like, they smell really good. So you just use like one of these cubes per wash, and I think there's 27 in here. But you know what, I feel like they smell like Turkish Delight. Yeah, I feel like they do. I'm well excited to use these. They're really tiny. This is what they look like. Yeah, I'm probably going to do like a full review on these because I really want to use these. Like, I'm very intrigued and curious about these. I feel like you get such a good range of stuff in here. Next, I've got the Aura Pressed Glitter Balm. This retails for £8. A moisturising gold base with hints of violet and metallic copper. The Aura Pressed Glitter Balm illuminates the face and body with a glitter glow. Yes, get me into this now. I'm very excited. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, okay. This looks cute. Should we do a cheeky swatch? Oh, it's literally very balmy. So this is what it looks like on my finger. I'm gonna like kind of swatch it onto my hand here. This looks super pretty. Let me show you properly. I really like that. I feel like this would look really good on my eyes. Next, we've got a sheet mask. I love a sheet mask. So this is the Skin Glow London Glow Mask 2-piece facial treatment mask, and this retails for £12. It's got vitamin C in it, turmeric and hyaluronic acid. I love this. This looks so nice. I might actually use this tonight because I love relaxing with a sheet mask on. Isn't it just like the most relaxing thing ever? Lastly in this box, I have left the best till last. So these are the how do we say that? Cosmeceutical. We got there in the end. So this is the Doctor's Cosmeceutical Hydrate Me Thirst Quenching Ampule for dehydrated skin. I'm very excited for these. My skin is so dehydrated and dry all of the time. So in their store, this costs more than £90. And you get this in a £15 subscription box. Wow. Let me open these. I need to see these. So it says, use once a day for a week for firmer, smoother and more youthful looking skin. Apply after cleansing and before your moisturising regime. So these are 100% cruelty free. That's obviously a given, we love that. I'm definitely probably going to do like a full length review on these. I'll probably actually try them for the whole week, show you my skin before and show it after as well. These are so expensive and it's a full size as well. How cute are these? So that's everything in the box. I feel like this is such a nice box. There's such a big range of things in here. So as I said, this launches on March the 8th. You know what I think? This is such a nice gift for Mother's Day. It's Mother's Day on 14th of March. And you know, if I got this for my mum, like she'd be well happy with it. I think it makes such a nice Mother's Day present. And for £15, 106 value, that's so good. So if you do want to get this, I would be fast because it's being promoted like in quite a few different places, and their Instagram already has like 40k followers. So if you do want this box, I would get in there fast. Like I said, I'm going to leave all of the links in the description for you to grab this box if you want to. I would. And literally all of the products in here are full size. That's really good, like no sample sizes, they're all full size products. So if you love the look of this box as much as I love everything that's in it, go down into the description and subscribe, or you can just get a one-off, or you can do a subscription for like a couple months, and you can also unsubscribe at any time. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please keep an eye out for like my future videos, because I feel like I'm going to test these, and I'm definitely going to test these as well. So please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.